this river is so...
Oh, that's the community hall in the green.
Village hall.
The village hall in the green. Oh, okay.
We just came by across.
Okay.
And but plenty of us, they just stay in the village. And our source of income here is like seafood. We just used to go the rivers, yeah? To catch seafood like crab. Bring all the seafood for our livings for food. And mainly we just took it to the market for our income.
So does the whole village benefit? Like you got like maybe 5 people that fish and then take it to the market and then the money gets dispersed with the whole village, like a community?
Or is
She
it
said
just a
no,
family?
ma'am. Tell me how it happened. So it's an earth oven. Earth oven.
Oh,
Earth oven. Yeah, earth oven. I think it's a piece.
When you go around Fiji, in every village they have an oven.
Okay.
But
That's
we
how
usually
we
big
used to
occasion,
do.
like
Like,
children.
we call it like a you know how they do the pork and stuff when they do it in a pit and stuff? It's like a pit though. We don't call it an earth oven, but it's the same thing. It's just a little different, yeah. That's my mom told me. That's how they.
But this one is already been cooked and it's been spread out on the ground or any flat space for like nearly a week, eh? To let the sun really everything, so then it can be strong. And this one we left it in everything. Yeah. It took a long
So we cook it with that leaf to the intense black. Then we sand it again, we make it dry, then we use it then we start with it.
Awesome. So how old are they when they start weaving? Like do younger women start weaving? Like 10, 13, 14? Do you wait till they're grown to start weaving? Only moms? Oh yeah, is it okay?